I'm David McCuddy, and I'm here in Guthrie, Oklahoma for this truck gathering. I acquired it about 15 years ago in Tulsa for $800. And it was a 3-speed on the tree, 360. That was it, custom. Yeah. No chrome, no nothing, no power of any kind. Hooked to that trailer and went to Florida with it, and I realized that how bad it drove. It just all over the road. It's no air conditioning, no power steering, no power brakes, no nothing. So when I got home, I stripped it down to the frame, and then I decided to move. Took all this with me, and then 2 years ago, I decided to build it. And it used to be baby blue, and now it's a 351 Windsor, stroke to a 393, AOD overdrive, 325 gears, power steering, power brakes, screws, air conditioning, and this is what you see now. Camper came first. The camper's a 2015. We bought it new. It's a reissued of a 61 Shasta travel trailer. It's identical to them except for it's new. And we've had it now for 11 years. And we've towed all over the country with this. I've been all kinds of shows with this and trailer shows. I've had Ford all my life. My first truck was a 69 Ranger. I had a 66 Mustang when I was 16. I bleed Ford. I have a Escape Ford. I have a 2019 Ford F-250 diesel and a 66 Mustang still. I just got rid of my 1937 Ford truck that I've had for 20 years. That was my daily driver. Now this is my daily driver. It's got airbags on it. It's got sway bars in the front and back. It's got a pan bar in the back to hold it with the trailer. AM, FM, CD radio. It pairs to my phone. Does all that. I got a tack and I got airbags in the back also to help hold the truck up. And it's also got seat belts that they didn't come out with, shoulder harnesses. They had the hole, but they didn't have the belts. And now I have the shoulder deals that they didn't have back in the days. Like I said, it's all brand new. The rubber, you can see the rubbers where the doors go. Everything's new in this truck. When I get done with this is going to have a window here. I've already got one now. I got to frame it in, a window there, a window on the other side, and then we're taking the red and we're going to stripe it, make it look like something instead of a work shell.
Yeah.
Because I carry everything in it. I carry my generators, my bicycles. We carry everything in it, and that's the reason for the camper shell. And see, that's a custom, and everything I got on it is a Ranger. Okay. So I just left this here. I just bought new ones because I didn't want real new holes. But there was no body work. It had no dents. What you see is what it was. And see, I also, this old bumper, back in the days, this was on the truck. It put on by the dealership. And these slots here, do you know what they are?
For chains?
For chains, but yeah. A lot of people don't know that.
Really?
That's how they did it back in the days. They didn't have these.
Right.
And they had the ball here.
Connected to the frame. They
exactly.
Put it on the bumper. That's wild.
Exactly. I'm gonna sleep in it tonight.
Yeah? You guys stay in it pretty frequently?
All the time.
This is cool. It definitely has that vintage look.
Yeah, and it's got, you know, it's got an ice box. It used to be a ice box with ice things in it, but now it's a refrigerator.
I like your guys' curtains.
My wife made them. Well, she made all the curtains. That's not what they come out with.
Okay.
And then I gutted this whole back, even though it was new, because it wasn't user-friendly. It had no bed.
Yeah.
They don't have beds besides what you see up there. So I took this bathroom.
Oh, wow.
And took it from back there.
Yeah.
And brought it up here, took the closet out, spun it around, put the stool here. And I used this as a shower and a bathroom and all.
Yeah.
And then I had the original paneling still, so you can't tell I did it. And then that's a full-size Sleep Number mattress back there.
That's awesome. That's the way to do it.
And you got a microwave. Everything you got at home. TV sets here. And then I got dish, I got Roku, and I got antenna. I've been here a couple times. Last year, I drove up here to see the trucks. And then the year before, I put a car show on at my church at Hillside Baptist Church, and I put flyers out for all these trucks. So this year I got my truck, so I said, I'm gonna come. LMCs have supplied all these parts. I have spent many thousands of dollars with them, and I've never had any problems with them. And the funny thing is, the door handles, I don't have this one on yet, but I ordered the door handle like 3 years ago. Well, this side never came in. They was out of order. Yeah. You know, they didn't have any. 5-6 months ago, they said, your package is on its way. And I'm going, I forgot, completely forgot. But they knew I ordered it, and whenever they finally got them, they sent me that. I don't have it on yet, but I have the new door handle. Well, I don't have the chrome on the bottom yet. I still got the chrome that goes all the way across the bottom. And I got a few other little things to do, but I've been traveling so much, I don't have time.